Good morning everyone and welcome to Medellín, Colombia.
We're gonna let AI decide what we do throughout the whole day. We arrived yesterday and our hostel costs about 12 euros a night.
Since AI doesn't really know any good places to get breakfast around this area, we're gonna ask the locals.
So the lady pointed us in this direction.
So we got these empanadas. These are with chicken and these are with beef, and they're basically pastry filled with whatever filling they have on the menu at the time. And as a drink, we got this local drink.
¿Cómo se llama esto?
Avena.
Avena.
Avena. Very creamy and it's very sweet and it's very tasty.
This one's with meat and potato. And it's very delicious actually.
Breakfast was 16,000 Colombian pesos, which is about €4 for two people. Pretty good deal, I think.
Just gonna take out some money with my Visa card. Most of the places in Colombia don't accept cards, so it's a good thing to get out cash. Travel hack tip, get out a bit more cash, because there's mostly ATM fees. This ATM doesn't have a fee, so that's even better to find an ATM without a fee, but if it has fee, make sure to get out some more money so you don't have to pay the fee constantly. So I just asked AI what we should do, and it said we should take public transport and go to Santo Domingo. There's a cable car over there, and AI says that there's a beautiful view, so we're gonna check it out.
We just bought this card, which allowed us to use Medellin's very safe and clean public transport system. And one ride costs 2,600 Colombian pesos, which is about 50 euro cents.
About the cable cart ride, since we already paid for the metro, we don't have to pay for the cable cart ride. You take the cable cart up the mountain, and since we're not leaving, it's not gonna cost us any extra.
We made a friend in Medellin, and she's French, unfortunately.
Hello, I'm French.
No, but she was very nice to us, so we decided to take her on yet another trip.
Since Santo Domingo is not the most safe area, I'm gonna put the camera away and just film with phones from now on.
Santo Domingo wasn't the optimal AI recommendation. The location wasn't particularly tourist friendly, so we opted for some cheap chicken before leaving and continued our adventure elsewhere.
Thank you, AI. Thank you, ChatGPT. We asked AI what to do in this area, and it suggested to go to this park that is right up there.
This cable cart ride wasn't free. We paid 12,500 to get up to the park.
Entrada y otra de salida. Y son 3,5 kilómetros. Pagan el dinero.
He told me for this small trek it's okay without a guide, and it's really beautiful. We can see some flower farms on the way, and there is this area with the market and little park here. He said it's nice.
Right. It's very nice to have a Spanish tour guide because she translated absolutely everything. So we just hopped on a random bus. This guy persuaded us to get on. He's gonna take us to a butterfly farm, and there's gonna be restaurants and places we can look around. And the whole thing is gonna cost 20,000 Colombian pesos, which is like €5, maybe €4.
So we entered the park. We don't even know where we're going. So we're just gonna explore and see what we will find. So we entered the house of butterflies. So in this little enclosed area, there's a lot of different butterflies, which is pretty cool actually.
Wow.
Oh no, it's stuck.
No, bro. Have to go.
The mission is too hard.
We have to save the nature. Because, oh, water bottle.
Whoa! You are a hero, man.
Save the environment.
Colombia is grateful to you. These animals that you see in this insect museum are living in this park when they're not dead and encased and spinning in a ball like this.
This park is really big. You probably need like a couple of days to explore the whole park. Since we don't have the time, we'll just walk around. But the museum was pretty interesting because you can see all the diversity this park has to offer. So if you ever decide to visit, take your time, or if you have the budget, book a full tour to really get to know this area. So we're having a well-deserved ice cream break, and this ice cream costs us 4,000 pesos, so that's about €1, which isn't too bad. So we're done here. I think we've seen enough. The park is too big to explore more, and we're kind of hungry. So I just asked ChatGPT where we're gonna have lunch, and it says we should head to the Mercado Del Rio.
Unfortunately, the audio cut off for the rest of the footage we recorded that day. After our exploration of Parque Arví, we headed to Mercado Del Rio, a marketplace with over 50 restaurants offering a diverse range of cuisines. From traditional dishes to hamburgers, from Italian to Mexican, there were numerous of options. Ultimately, we settled on some delicious tacos. Believe me, they were very good. Following our satisfying meal, we made our way back to the hostel to rest before asking AI how to spend the remainder of our day. AI suggested that we visit El Poblado, a district known for its nightlife. We embraced the recommendation and danced the night away, enjoying the company of both locals and friends we met along the way.
We're in Colombia, in Poblado!
So this was our entire day with AI. Sadly, the audio of the last clip also cut off. I want to tell you about how we booked our flight from Medellín to Cartagena. When we arrived in Medellín from Bogota, we used the Kiwi price lock feature. We knew that we wanted about 3 days in Medellín before continuing, but we didn't want to overspend on our flight. So the Kiwi price lock feature makes sure that the price you see gets locked if you book it later, so the price doesn't change at all. We did that, locked our price in, and when we decided to leave, we bought our full flight for the same price. And if you want to see more of us or the other Kiwi.com world travel hackers, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!